U.S. troops stationed in South Korea celebrated the Thanksgiving holiday on November 23 with a traditional festive meal. Roast turkey and pumpkin pies were prepared for the hundreds of soldiers at Camp Casey in Dongducheon, one of several U.S. Army bases near the Demilitarized Zone. High-ranking Army officers served the Thanksgiving meal to soldiers thousands of miles away from home.
And being away from home, celebrating Thanksgiving, so it is different, but I find it's pretty cool. I'll be here next year for Thanksgiving as well, and it's something to remember for sure for my future kids and family down the line.
I miss them a lot, and definitely celebrating Thanksgiving without them is really hard, but only a few months left, so, and happy Thanksgiving.
Today we are celebrating a Thanksgiving meal. So this is a very special meal of the year for us 9-2 Golfs, because it's the time that we show up our skills, prepare meals for the soldiers that weren't able to make it home.